How to use emojis in Roblox using your personal computer. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to teach you on the step-by-step tutorial on how you can use emojis in Roblox using your personal computer. Using emojis in Roblox on a personal computer can add a fun element to your chats and interactions. Here are the steps to use emojis in Roblox on a personal computer. First is to open your browser and go to roblox.com. Choose from any games that you want to play and click on it. Once you're done picking, you will be directed into this page where you can see the Chat tab. Just click on it, and if you have recent chats from your Roblox friends, it will appear here. Now, to use the emoji keyboard, you just have to press these keys, window plus semicolon or colon. After doing that, a window with emojis will appear. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the emoji that you want to use. You can now press enter to send the message with the emoji. This method allows you to use a wide range of emojis to express yourself in Roblox chats on a personal computer. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.